Customer says sparks are coming from his freezer. Let's check it out. Found these wires rubbing on where the door rotates underneath door heater wires that rotate right underneath the hinge, and just repaired them with a butt connector and taped them up. All good again, but it's good that the chef there communicated to me that he had some sparks. A dishwasher noticed sparks coming from the freezer. Then he told the cook, and the cook told me when I was in there checking something else. So it's a good thing to tell your cooks or people there to communicate to you when you're not there if something's going on that never has gotten passed along. Could have saved all their product in their freezer, because that could have popped the circuit breaker and they could have lost everything in the freezer. 3-door freezer. So all right, thanks for watching. Click like on the video and subscribe. All right, take care. Bye.